I look like shit because I just got up and I haven't done makeup or my hair or anything. And I'm in my school uniform because I've got so many texts saying that it's just flooded. So I'm gonna go check it out, okay? Okay, so far it's fine. Like, there's no water anywhere. And I'm wearing wellies and my school skirt because wellies are good. Okay, this car seems fine, but like down here there's just like water and I'm not sure it's safe to go through, but I'm going to anyway because I have wellies.